there, it's Caroline from the Fashion School here. I'm laughing because I've tried to do this so many times. Right, okay, we're closing tomorrow. We don't have any classes tomorrow anyway, so really if you're coming today, that will be your last class. We have lots of online ideas for people who aren't actually part of the fashion school but would like to join, so we'll be building up our online classes and they will all be on our website. And that will be from next week. In addition to that, we're looking at the exit on the other side. So if people want to think about booking private tuition, or when we're back, we won't be able to tell you that, but we will be able to provide something for your children to keep them occupied and so they don't lose any of their skills. Remember, tinies and teenagers, when you're at home, you might be cooped up inside the house, but you can escape through your imagination and just make the most of that and your creativity, this gift you've been given. So just remember that, okay, you can take yourself out into your own imagination, into a wonderful world. So do work on your projects. Okay, I'm going to switch this around so I can... here we go. Right. So here's Torella, and Torella and Katie are in at Brighton, and they have been working their socks off more than I have, even creating little packs. They're working on the ones for the tinies at the moment, so we're looking at 6 to 9 year olds. So you can see what Torella's been doing here. So there's all sorts of little activities in there, from hairbands to little design briefs, home dyeing, all using scraps that we have at the fashion school, because as you know, these are sustainable projects as much as we can make them. And there will be lots to keep your child occupied and further their skills and their creativity. Doesn't matter if you haven't got a sewing machine, these are for hand sewers too. Over here is Katie, and she is making up kimonos for slightly older. I think these are probably about for 9-year-olds. 9 to 12. I think these are, well, something like that. So this is using donated broker fabric, and this is something that you will be able to make really simply at home. And we have other packs there. In addition to that, we've over here, we've got packs that are going to go into the students who are doing McQueen, the teenage packs. We haven't quite finished those yet, but the McQueen ones you can see here. So in there you have a project, and then you have lots of fabrics as well. So that's sketchbook work for you. And again, everything is aimed for you being at home and supported by our online. Now, what else can I possibly tell you about? Look at all those packs, and we've had such a fabulous response. Everybody's on board. It's just amazing. And I must say, in the last week, it has just felt like a total family here. Okay, thank you.